Hello everyone, good morning. This is Dinesh here, and today I'm going to share with you an opportunity on a company which I literally missed. I had been watching this company for a very long time, but at the time of execution I did not notice notice the opportunity, and the opportunity has passed by. But let me tell you how I analyzed this and why I thought it was a very good opportunity and what was the opportunity. Let's go to the video. So one of the opportunity which I was talking about is Arvind Fashions, which I have been following up for a very long time, and I was expecting it to actually have a huge opportunity for us if it breaks in the upward direction. Because if you see, the company was in downward direction, downtrend, okay, for a very long time, okay, very long time, and I thought now when it was actually in the sideways pattern, okay, this one, okay, so I was expecting it to actually go in the upward direction if this particular resistance is broken. Okay, let me draw the resistance as well. And the support which I was having at this point is this one. Okay, I was expecting it to actually go in the upward direction in a big way if the resistance was broken. Okay, and unfortunately the problem is that when the resistance got broken, okay, I did not have my alerts in place and I lost the opportunity. But no matter, okay, but the analysis was right, and let me tell you how big the opportunity was. Okay, the opportunity was exactly on this candle when the breakout has happened. Okay, on this candle, which is on 22nd of July. Okay, and okay, say 184 or so, okay, around 184, 180 plus, okay, and the targets, okay, the targets, if you're setting up right, one of the target is here, the other target is here, okay, other target could be here and here. Okay, if you see right, 180 plus, say 185 for example, okay, 185, and it has went till the highest point of 292, almost like 50% profit in just a matter of how many days? Okay, from 22nd of July to 27th of August, in just 1 month. Okay, the profit that it has given is around, the price increase that this particular company has given is almost like 50%. Okay, that's the kind of profit potential this company was giving. Okay, and just based on support resistance, the amount of the opportunities and the profit potential was so huge here. Okay, and if you see the breakout candle which happened, it's showing giving a very strong bullishness. Okay, what happened here? It gave a very strong bullishness and a breakout, and then after some time it hit target 1, then retest happened, and then it started moving towards target 2 and also towards target 3. Okay, so 50% upside in just a matter of 1 month. Okay, that's a possibility even like when we are trading in equity. So guys, one thing which I want to tell you is that when you are analyzing on equity, okay, there are opportunities in Nifty 50. You can go for Nifty 250 and even Nifty 500. Okay, one thing is that when you're going for Nifty 250, Nifty 500, right, there will be a lot of mid caps and small caps. Okay, so one thing you have to understand is that when the volatility is high, okay, the risk is high, but also the reward is also high. Okay, so make sure that you're managing your risk when you're getting into risky products. Okay, but that is where you will have a lot of profit potential as well. So make sure that you're analyzing this. I want you to actually practice this, whatever I've done, so that you can actually have a better understanding of the concepts. I'll be coming up with more videos and more examples. Okay, till then, take care, stay safe, and have a great day. Bye bye.